Choreography to a nice DJ FLEG breakdance track. Now, we are doing 4 counts of 8 today. I might add a part 2 on this because we end down at the floor. You can add floor work on. But we're going to hit a 4 count of 8 routine today. Just keep it nice and short, nice and easy to learn, and so that everybody can get nice and clean. Yeah? So, let's get straight into the routine. We'll smash it out and we'll get it done. So, we're going to start it off with 2 jumps. So, we're starting off with jump, jump. Yeah? So, 2 nice big jumps. Make sure you lift your feet up, get them knees nice and high. So, jump, jump. From there, we're going to hit 3 side rocks. So, you're going kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Now, as far as which side you're going and which legs, it doesn't really matter. You can mirror me. So, on these side rocks, I'm starting with kicking right foot, stepping left leg out. If you're mirroring, you'll be kicking left, stepping right leg out. It doesn't matter really which side, but if you want to get technical about it, you're mirroring me, you'll do the opposites, yeah? So, you're going jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Yeah? And again. So we go jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. From here, 2 top rocks. So you're coming in, top rocking across to my right, then jumping it in, top rocking across to my left. Yeah? Just make sure when you're jumping in, you want to be kind of hunched so you can get your bounce. And when you're stepping it across, bend both legs, bring it down nice and low so you can get your bounce. And as always, arms big, arms up, high, and big. Yeah? So from the top, nice and slow. So we go jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Jump it in, top rock, in, top rock. One more, and we'll carry on. So again, nice and slow. We go jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Jump, top rock, jump, top rock. From here, just to finish this second count of 8 off, you're going to step that foot out to the side. You're going to step that foot in behind, so my left leg is coming in behind my right leg. Arms out, from there you're going to spin, round to the front. So that's half the routine done. 2 counts of 8 in. Easy. Let's go through that slow a couple of times, and then we'll go with the music. We will do the whole thing at the end with a beat, so make sure you stick around to the end to get it with a beat. Well, let's go that a couple of times slow. We'll build it up to speed about the music, and then we'll smash it with a beat, yeah? So, from the top nice and slow, start with our jumps. Jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Jump, top rock, jump, top rock, side, behind, turn. Yeah, so you're timing for that, then last couple of steps. After your last top rock, we're just stepping it straight out, straight behind, and then turn on each count. Nice and quick, yeah? One more slow, then we'll speed it up. So nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Jump, top rock, jump, top rock, side, behind, turn. And your arms on that last side behind. I'm going to come out to the side and bring my arms across. You come behind and bring them out, and then turn them out. You can change up any of the arms if you want to change them up. But obviously, if you're a super beginner, maybe just keep the basic arms for now, yeah? Okay, let's speed it up a little bit without the music. We'll go 2 times quick, then we'll smash this first half of the beat, and then we can get into the second half of the set, yeah? So, a little bit quicker, but without the beat. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Jump, top, side, behind, turn. Nice. One more, that speed, and we'll get into it with the beat, yeah? One more nice and quick without the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side. Jump, top, side, behind, turn. Nice. Easy work, yeah? Let's go with the music. We'll go 2 or 3 times with the beat, and then we'll get into the second half, yeah? Let's go. Okay, with the beat, let's go. I'll count us in, make it nice and big. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. we'll smash straight into the second half. So we've done jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side, jump, top, top, side, behind, turn. From here, we're going to go hustle, hustle, step, step, hop. If you've been through the other breaking tutorials I've done, you'll know this move. If not, links in the description as always. Jump on them, educate yourselves. So we've just done over behind and turn. So we're going to hustle. I'm starting with my right leg. If you're mirroring, we'll start with the left leg. So I'm going to go kick, kick, then from here, I'm stepping right behind, left out to the side, then hop it in. Then to come back the other way, we're going to start with the left leg. So if you're mirroring, we'll start with right leg. So I'm going kick left, kick right, step left behind, right out, hop. Yeah? Now your arms are this. You're going to normal whistle step arms on the first two kicks. So 1, 2. On these steps, you can do anything with your arms. You can have them out, you can bring them across, whatever you're feeling. Yeah? So we'll go kick, kick, 1, 2, hop. Then kick, kick, 1, 2, hop. If you're getting confused which leg you have to kick first, the easy way, if you're traveling to the left, I'm going to kick my right leg first. If I'm traveling to the right, I'm going to kick my left leg first, yeah? So because I'm traveling to the left first, I'm kicking my right. If you're mirroring, you're traveling to the right first. So you'll kick your left, right, step, step. Then, because you'll be traveling to the left, you'll kick your right first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So, just that hustle step. So we go kick, kick, step, step, hop. Kick, kick, step, step, hop. Yeah? Nice. Let's add that on from the top, nice and slow. So we go jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, kick, side, jump, top, side, behind, turn. And kick, kick, step, step, hop. Kick, kick, step, step, hop. Okay, from here, we are doing a pin drop variation go down. So I will show you the go down. It looks crazier than it is, so don't just click off the video because you're like, oh snap. It's not that bad, yeah? The go down is this. Not as crazy as it looks, I promise. Pretty easy. So, what you're going to do for this go down is, we've just done our 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, I'm bringing my right hand down, and my left leg is coming up. So right hand comes down, left leg comes up. From there, my left hand is coming down, and my right leg is coming up. So you should go into a kind of like a handstand, but just a little lower. Yeah, so again, right hand down, left leg up, left hand down, right leg up. So right hand down, left leg up, left hand down, right leg up, then my left foot is coming down first. Now all you're doing from here is a pin drop. If you let the pin drop, you know this foot is going to come in behind this knee. So you're just pin dropping it behind. Yeah, it's nothing too crazy. It looks crazier than it is, but it's not too crazy. It's a nice move though. So again from there, nice and slow. So right hand down, left leg up. Left hand down, right leg up. Left foot comes down first. Right foot comes in. And you drop it down. Now if you're mirroring me, obviously everything will be the opposite. Yeah? So you'll go left hand down, you know, it's everything the opposite. Because I'm going right hand down, left leg up. You'll go left hand down, right leg up. So you'll be going left down, right leg up, and traveling across this way. Right down, left up. Right foot down first, left will come in. If you don't want to mirror me for that move to confuse yourself, that is fine. Yeah? So, one more. Right hand down, left leg up. Left hand down, right leg up. Left foot down first. Bring it in behind, pin drop. And to finish the move off, you're just going to turn around. So, I'm spinning right shoulder back because my left leg is hooked across. If I was to try and spin left shoulder back, it's doable, but it's awkward. So basically unraveling the legs. You should finish with the opposite leg hooked. That's where you want to finish. Yeah? So just do that move one last time. We'll recap it all, and then we'll go with a beat. So that's your 4 count of 8 routine. Yeah? So how you finish down here is perfect for anybody who's maybe not fully beginner, but has got a little breaking experience. You can add your own footwork on. So you can come out into any footwork that you've learned from here, absolutely anything. Yeah? If you're a beginner, you can stop it there, because I think I will add part 2 on, which will be mostly floor work from here. Yeah? So that go down one more time. So we're going right hand down, left leg up, left hand down, right leg up, left foot down, right foot comes in behind, turn, and end out here in that hook. Yeah? Nice. Okay. You might even do an ending position. Let's do an ending position instead. So you just finished here, turn it out. What you're going to do to end, instead of ending right leg hook, you're going to shoot just left leg out and bring that left arm behind. This can be a nice ending position, yeah? Just instead of ending as a hook. Perfect. Okay. Let's go from the top, slow, without the music. Quick, without the music. And we'll smash it out a good times quick with the music. And that's your routine done. Awesome. This is a fire routine. The beat is nice. I'll have a link in the description for the beat. I usually write on the screen so you guys can find all the music. Nothing less than not having music to practice to, so I always put music in the video for you guys, don't worry. So, from the top, nice and slow. So we're going jump, jump, kick, side, kick, side, jump, top, side, behind, turn. Kick, step, hop. Kick, step, hop. You'll go down, so right down, left leg up, left down, right leg up, foot down, in behind, turn. Shoot one leg out, back, to finish out. Yeah, nice. So your timing for that last move, you actually have 8 counts for that go down. Because you've just done 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So your timing for that last move is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not too quick. Get nice and clean, yeah? Let's speed it up without the music. And then we'll go with good times. Always with. So, quick without the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, kick, side, jump, top, side, behind, turn. Kick, 1, 2, 3. Kick, 1, 2, 3. Go down, 2, 3, 4, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit that ending position. Nice. Okay, that's it. If you're struggling with any of that, I would advise rewinding it. Maybe try a couple more. If not, let's go with a beat. Okay, we will go 2 times with the music. Full out, yeah? Our count is it. Let's get this one good. Make sure it's all big. 5, 6, 7, 8. Practice that routine, and as I said, if you're a super beginner, I'd advise jumping on other tutorials, learn some new moves. If not, add something on the end. Yeah, post it on YouTube, tag me in it, show me, and give you advice. I can even help you. Yeah, but that was nice. That was a real good one. Now, if you do want to learn any other stuff, I have loads of different tutorials on all the other styles, so definitely jump on them. Apart from that, we're done. So if you did like today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and if there's anything I'm not doing that you guys do want to see, leave a comment down below and I'll get straight to it, yeah? Apart from that, well done, see you in the next one.